it takes you out of this range right here, right? This B wave right here, but you're still not out of the woods because you're still in your larger sort of range consolidation, okay? So, and this is important because we're going to see a microcosm of exactly this over here, okay? So just remember this analysis, this larger kind of high time frame analysis, 4-hour analysis. So you get your A wave, you get your B wave, and then you get your C wave, but it's not a full C wave. It's just a C wave out of the complex B correction, okay? And that gives you another A. This gives you another B. And then here, you're working on an A, B, C, okay? That's basically what I'm seeing in the charts, okay? Hello, everyone. My name's Dean. Let's talk crypto. This is where you subscribe for daily Bitcoin updates and technical analysis. We track the price of Bitcoin as a proxy for the cryptocurrency markets at large. Today is January 3rd, 2022, the start of the new year, the start of the new work year, I guess. Most people start work today. Happy New Year, happy new work day. Hopefully you're in a job you love. Hopefully you're in a place that, you're satisfied with. And if you're not, you're making plans to get there. All right, what's going on with Bitcoin? Here's my read. This is a complex correction, okay? And let's zoom out really quickly. For those of you who are not subscribed, here's basically what I've been saying. We're in this big long trading range, right? For 30 days almost, right? You've got your A wave, right? You've got your B wave. This is all your B wave. And then you finally get a C wave out, okay? So this is A, B, C. But this C wave is the first of 3 waves of an A wave. So it's basically out, it takes you out of this range right here, right? This B wave right here, but you're still not out of the woods because you're still in your larger sort of range consolidation, okay? So, and this is important because we're going to see a microcosm of exactly this over here, okay? So just remember this analysis, this larger kind of high time frame analysis, 4-hour analysis. So you get your A wave, you get your B wave, and then you get your C wave, but it's not a full C wave. It's just a C wave out of the complex B correction, okay? And that gives you another A. This gives you another B. And then here, you're working on an A, B, C, okay? That's basically what I'm seeing in the charts, okay? Now, zooming in on the hourly time frame, we have what I was just referring to. 3 waves up, A, 3 waves down, a B, and this entire contraption, this, let me get more specific, this 1, 2, 3, do you remember that, right? Do you see that? You're getting the same kind of construction, an A, a B, a complex correction that's going to lead you into a full C, hopefully a full C, or we could just keep it going, right? It's the never-ending song of not complex correction, but strung together ABCs. But I anticipate that this next C wave is going to take us out of this entire trading range, okay? And this is why I made a video 2 days ago saying that Bitcoin will soon break up to the upside. Okay, now let's get even more specific, right? What does this B wave look like, right here? Okay, and we can count this using complex corrections in Elliott wave theory, right? So basically, that would be, let's go on an even smaller time frame, 15-minute time frame. And yesterday, I believe I counted it as an ABC, but today it's showing itself to be not an ABC here. Sorry, let me get rid of all this. Clean chart. It's showing itself not to be an ABC, but a double three. And for those of you who are not subscribed to the channel, there's basically two types of complex corrections. There's a single, triple complex correction, WXY, or a double three, which is a WXYXZ. Okay, and I believe that we're getting the latter right here. Okay, so yesterday I counted this as an ABC. Let me just pen it really quickly. Yesterday I said A, B, C, and I believe that we're going to get a small zigzag into our C. Okay, yet we kept going. So if you count this as A, B, C, and then you still see correction, this can no longer be ABC. It needs to be W, X, Y, and then this needs to be X. These three waves up need to be X, and this, what you're forming here, A, B, I think we're getting this right here to complete the Z. Okay, that's what I'm seeing. So essentially what I'm saying is my read here is that we are in an impulse right now to the downside, okay, and that this is our Z wave, if you will. And let's just measure this. Let's approximate this using the Fibonacci retracement tool. If this is the beginning of the impulse, no, not Fibonacci extension tool, trend-based extension. So one of the ways you can, a quick and dirty way to approximate an impulse is to take the trend-based extension of the first wave, the retrace of the second wave, and then just eyeing the 2236, because we know on average the 3 wave ends between the 1618 and the 2, and a concerted 5 wave will just take you to the 2236. That's just something I do. It's not in any book or anything like that. It's just on experience. From experience, I've seen that has worked well for me. If I want to make a conservative estimate for what an impulse will look like, where it will go, I would just say the 2236. Super conservative is the 2 Fibonacci extension, but this is what I'm seeing. Okay, the 2 or the 2236 for this wave right here. Now, keeping with the larger analysis, let me delete this. So this would take you, let's just remember where, around this area right here. Oops. So that's what I'm seeing. We're targeting that area. Now, if this is indeed a 3 waves up, A, and then this mass is B, okay, and then we're expecting a C from this launch pad, this base of support, this would look like a zigzag correction. We all know that a zigzag correction cannot exceed the 618. So I'm looking at, let me just erase this because I can't see. Okay, there we go. I couldn't see the top of A. Right, so the top of A, doing the Fibonacci retracement, do you see we've been respecting that golden pocket? And I we're not making this up. I'm doing this as I go along. I just woke up. This is kind of my morning analysis before I get into my scalps, before I get into my swings of the day. So you're doing this with me. We see that my projection of this impulse that I call Z is actually consistent with where the limit, the support of this zigzag correction, right? If this is an A, B, C correction. So this is what I expect. I expect Bitcoin in the immediate short term to give us a 1.5% drawdown then we get some consolidation, accumulation, a reversal of sorts, of a flat correction, right? And then launching off for a C. Now, this can be a full C, this can be a partial C, but we need a C because we have an A and a B, right? That's how it works. Those are the rules. So if this analysis is correct, once Bitcoin hits approximately, let's say, 46.5 or 46.6, okay, then we should expect a C to about, so the C wave, we can expect it to come to about, using our Fibonacci trend-based extension tool, taking the bottom of the A wave, top of the A wave, full retracement, we said 46.6, something thereabouts, of the B wave, right? If the B wave comes all the way down to here, extension of the 1 to the 1236. Let's zoom out to get some context so we can see where that would land. Do expect for this C wave, whether it's the first of 5 waves up or just another, part of an A wave, we expect it to come up here, right here. Okay, so that's what I'm seeing for Bitcoin today. That's my full analysis. I'm going to now jump quickly into Link and Litecoin, not to make this video too long, but just looking laterally to see if that analysis would hold, or what that price action, what that analysis would look like in, these other assets. So looking at Litecoin, I do see something similar. I see an impulse down. I see a retracement. I do see sort of more impulsive action downwards, okay, to continue down to this bed of support, down to this range low. Okay, that's what I'm seeing for Litecoin. So something similar. And if that's indeed the case, I think this was I don't know what this is. In any case, just immediate short term for Litecoin, I'm seeing an impulse down. Okay, I'm not going to take time to do a more of a thorough analysis on Litecoin, but immediate short term, I'm seeing that move down. Okay, and then in Chainlink, okay, I'm seeing 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see. 1, A, B. 1, 2, 3. No, wait. 1, 2. I'm seeing an impulse. But this impulse may be a B wave. I'm not exactly sure. Let's zoom out a little bit. So I do see some sort of complex correction right here, or a range, right? There's a range. That's an A wave, or W, X. Y, or Y ends here. And then or this is Y, and this is X, and then this is 1, 2, 3, Z. So I am seeing a move down. I would consider this a B wave retrace of a flat correction. So I am seeing a move down to range lows in Link as well. Okay, that's my analysis for the day. Hope this was helpful. This was useful. I'm sorry it was a little longer than usual. Like, share, subscribe if you're getting value from this these analyses, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Stay safe. Bye.